Hi everyone, I am Vishal and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we have got another book haul and book flip through. So this time I have got a small book haul, around 5 or 6 books. And yeah, let's dive into opening the parcel as well as doing the flip through. Let's open this parcel and see what we have. Let's count the books. 1. I think I have this book. Yeah. 2. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So let's start with this one. The CD. Okay, it has to be like this. So guess how much I love you. So I have this book. So this is second one that I mistakenly ordered. Written by Sam Nutbrown and illustrated by Anita Jerome. So we have got cute little illustration of brown bunnies. Then we have Sammy, the classroom guinea pig. So it's a discount code. Yeah, this has some beautiful illustrations. Another guinea pig book by Dick King Smith, illustrated by Anita Jerome. So the same illustrator Anita Jerome. So we have a lot of guinea pigs in here. Next we have an illustrated book of Big Bad Pig by Helen Oxenbury. We have Shaun the sheep. Here we have got a Usborne book, Usborne Farmyard Tales sticker stories. Okay, so we have got all the stickers intact in here. And lastly, drawing book, Draw 50. Draw 50 dinosaurs and other prehistoric animals. So that's all the book. Let me know which one was your favorite. and you can check out the other book flip throughs and book hauls. And if you want me to do any book hauls of any other books, let me know in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching the whole video. I hope you enjoyed the book flip through. If you like the video, drop me a thumbs up, and if you want me to know that you have reached up to here, just comment draw 50. And you can check out the other playlist consisting of all book flip throughs and book hauls. I'll link the playlist up here and down in the description. And until next time, peace.